This is extended side angle pose. This stretch is really a nice deep stretch for the muscles on the side of the body, especially those that go up under the arms. So if you're tight in your lats, this is a really nice stretch for your lats. Okay, let's get into it. So we're gonna get on hands and knees to start. And let's stretch the left leg first. So the basic movement is you're gonna open up the body, stepping out with the left leg as your right leg pivots. So you see how that happened there. So we're opening up, right leg pivots. This top arm is gonna come up, big breath in, and as you exhale, allow it to try and reach up and back overhead. Now, if you're tight, what that arm might want to do is come down, but don't let it do that as much as you can. Try to keep it up and back, reaching long. And also we're pushing the ground away with that left foot. So we're reaching long with the arm, we're pushing the ground away with our left foot, and exhale. Let's try that again. So we're gonna open up, pivot that right leg, lift that arm, big breath in, and exhale, and see how far you can allow that top arm to relax over the top of you, just forming a nice long line, pushing the ground away from you with the left leg, reaching long with that top arm. With the head, we're trying to keep the head and neck up. If this doesn't feel good to you, you can certainly look down. Try to look up if you can. And exhale. Let's try it on the opposite side. So now we're gonna open up to the opposite side. Right leg goes out, left leg is pivoting. Right arm goes up, big breath in, and exhale. Reaching long with that right arm, making sure it's not coming forward. If it feels good on your neck, you can take a peek and look, and you're pushing the ground away with your right leg. And exhale. And that is your extended side angle pose.